Welcome to our YouTube video on how to add members to a space in Gmail. In this full guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of adding members to a space in Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your device. Step 2. Select the space to which you want to add members. Step 3. At the top left corner, tap on the space name and then select Manage Members. Step 4. Enter the name or email of the person or group you want to add. Step 5. Finally, at the top right corner, tap on Done. By following these simple steps, you can easily add members to a space in Gmail and collaborate with others efficiently. Whether it's for work, personal projects, or group discussions, Gmail spaces make it convenient to connect and share with others. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to add members to a space in Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more Gmail-related content